Hi, Uncle Kevin here. Let's talk about investing for beginners. Please subscribe and click that notification bell. Last year, my 17-year-old son in matric asked me how to invest. The starting point is bank savings and investment products. There are 5 traditional bank investment products. First, savings accounts. You can transfer money in and take money out at any time. The minimum balance is low, 100 Rand. The interest rate you earn is low. Current interest rate is 2% to 3%. 2. Call account. You can transfer money in at any time. You can take money out on demand. The minimum balance is a bit higher. The interest rate you earn is higher than savings accounts. 3. Notice deposit. You can transfer money in at any time. You can take money out by giving a notice period to the bank. The minimum balance is 5,000 to 20,000 Rand. Notice period ranges from 7 days to 88 days. Interest rate 2.5% to 4%. 4. Money market account. You can transfer money in and take money out any time. The minimum balance is 20,000 to 100,000 Rands. Interest rate is 2.8% to 3.7%. 5. Fixed interest, fixed deposit. You invest money for a fixed period of time, ranging from 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 24, 36 to 60 months. The longer you invest and the larger the amount, the higher the interest rate. Interest rate 2.5% to 7%. Uncle Kevin here. If you like this video, consider watching our other videos over here.